Hello and welcome to Curious Questions. Today's curious question is, what is protons? Atoms are fundamental. They build everything. Stars, planets, you, me. An incredible thought, isn't it? So small yet so powerful. The universe is made of atoms. We are all made of atoms. Let's explore their insides. What are atoms made of? They are made of even smaller bits, truly tiny particles. These are the true heroes. They follow nature's laws, quantum laws, often strange. Strange laws, yes, but they work perfectly in their own realm. We will explore these bits. Protons, neutrons, electrons, these are the main players. They live inside the atom. The nucleus is their home base, or at least part of it, a bustling city of particles, each with a role to play. Understanding them is key to understanding chemistry, key to understanding physics, key to the cosmos, key to understanding the universe. Prepare for a fantastic journey into the very small particles that are the building blocks of reality. Meet the proton. It is a subatomic particle. It carries a positive charge. Think of it as a tiny plus sign. This charge is fundamental. It defines so much about matter, always positive, never wavering. A core property of this particle. Protons live in the atom's center. This center is called the nucleus. It's incredibly small and dense. Imagine a single speck, a speck holding immense mass. That's the nucleus for you. Tiny yet mighty indeed. The atom's heavy core. The number of protons is crucial. It tells us what element it is. 1 proton? That's hydrogen. 6 protons? That's carbon. The very stuff of life. Protons give atoms their identity, like a unique cosmic fingerprint. No two elements share this. So, the nucleus with its protons. It's the atom's command center, small, dense, positively charged. It holds the atom together. Well, it has a strong influence, but it often needs some help. Help from another nuclear resident. Who we will meet now. The neutron. It also lives in the nucleus, right alongside the protons. What's special about neutrons? They have no electrical charge, zero, they just are. No fuss. Quiet contributors to the atom. Neutrons are the universe's diplomats. They add mass to the nucleus. They don't change the element's identity, but they can change the isotope. Think of them as heavy friends, keeping the protons company, adding weight, adding stability, different flavors of the same element. Without neutrons, many nuclei might fly apart. Those positive protons strongly repel each other, like charges push away. Neutrons help provide stability. They act like a crucial buffer, a neutral calming presence, essential for building heavier elements. The universe needs this balance. Now, for the electrons, they are incredibly tiny particles, very, very tiny indeed. They carry a negative charge, the exact opposite of protons. They don't live in the nucleus. They zip around far outside it, in a vast energetic cloud. Electrons and the leptons. Electrons orbit the nucleus, not in neat little paths, but in specific energy levels. Think of planets around a star, but it's more like a fuzzy cloud, a cloud of probability. The number of electrons usually matches protons, in a neutral atom that is. This makes the atom electrically neutral. Positive and negative charges balance out. This balance is very important. It drives all chemical reactions. It explains how atoms bond, forming molecules and then us. Electrons are part of a bigger family. This family is called leptons. Leptons are fundamental particles. This means they are truly basic. They don't seem to be made of anything smaller as far as we can tell. They are nature's simplest building blocks. Besides electrons, there are other leptons, the muon, the tau particle, each heavier than the electron, and their mysterious neutrino partners. Neutrinos are ghostly particles. They barely interact with anything. Billions pass through you now, undetected, unfelt, unseen. Why these particles define everything? They are the cosmic glue holding everything together. Protons, neutrons, electrons, and the dense nucleus they form. And leptons as a fundamental class. These particles are not just academic. They are not just for scientists. They are everything, literally, the substance of all existence, from you to the distant stars. They dictate how stars shine brightly through the process of nuclear fusion. Protons and neutrons rearranging themselves, releasing absolutely immense energy. This is what powers the cosmos, creating new, heavier elements, forged in violent stellar furnaces. The universe is an alchemist. They determine how all matter behaves, the solidity of your chair, the gentle flow of water, the invisible air you breathe, all due to these tiny players, their charges, their masses, their interactions, their quantum rules, governing the world we experience. Unveiling these subatomic mysteries helps us. It helps us understand our place, our unique place in the universe. From the smallest possible scales to the grandest cosmic structures, it's all deeply interconnected. All by these fundamental particle bits. The universe has secrets and we want to learn them all. Today on Curious Questions we did answer one question. What is protons, neutrons, leptons, and electrons? To put it simply, they are fundamental subatomic particles that make up atoms. Thank you for watching Curious Questions. Join us next time as we try to answer some of the universe's greatest questions.